What's going on, my friends? So today's trade were amazing trades in my Telegram group, and let me show you some of the few trades that I was really able to call out and give out, and let's do some analysis, and let me show you the strategies that I was really able to use behind these trades. So the first trade was CAD JPI. The entry point was at this level. Where is the Okay, this was the entry point, and you take a look at what happened. Price actually got into this level and went all the way down. And then the next entry was on this level. Price got into this major level and went all the way to the moon. And then you can take a look at how it went completely up. That was some really good pips that you were able to win there. And this is still card JPY. No, this is GBP card. On GBP card, this actually really performed very well. You can see the entry point was this, and I told you guys that, hey, if this price breaks on this level and retest it, you can be able to get into a sell comfortably. And let's take a look how the market played. We hit our first price, came down, hit our first take profit. I actually entered this trade here, and let's see our next take profit. What happened? It actually went all the way down, hit our next take profit too, came back here, retested the call that I had given out, and I'll be able to show you what happened exactly. So what I'll actually do, we'll actually do the analysis for the GBP currency, because I believe it's the one that really performed very well today. So you can see even now as I'm recording this video, and these calls I gave them out very early in the morning as we are starting the day. Today is in evening, and you can see still GBP card continues to move down completely. So what are some of the strategies that you use? I'll just draw for you. Line trading is very easy. It's very simple. I just want you to focus with this. I usually focus on these two lines. Line number one, I usually call it the resistance level. Okay, resistance level. And then line number two, I call it the support level. Okay, so I have tried different indicators. I have tried a lot of things, and guys, this is the only thing that you need. So what we usually look at is when a price gets into a resistance level. Here on this level, we usually expect price to have a pullback, touch it again, and then now this will be our entry. Our entry point will be at this zone. So it has tested one, tested two. Those are two double tops, and now we believe that price will go down, and the next part that we'll be able to put our take profit one will be here, and then our take profit two will be on that level. Okay, and same thing about so this is the resistance. So the support level, which is this level, it is still the same thing. Price comes, price forms the hits that level, comes back again, hits the level, comes here, and this is where we'll be getting into the trade. Confirmation one will be two double bottoms that are in a major support level. So this, we are banking on this level here to be able to support our trade and push it moving towards this upwards direction. Okay, so our first take profit will be around here, whereby we have the most current level, and then another take profit will be on this level. So trading is easy. Just go right now and start looking for double tops and double bottoms on major levels, and follow the strategy that I've actually shared with you on this video. So let's take a look at if these strategies actually work and how did this play. Okay, so you can see the time frames also that you want to use. You can use different time frames. You can use the first time frame I usually like using is the 15 minutes time frame. It kind of gives me the like exact flow of the market, like some clarity on different areas that I want to get into. and then I load in, I go deep down into the 5 minutes time frame. Now this one gives me like the activities of what the candles are doing, and I am really able to really see sometimes double bottoms and double tops have appeared in very early in the 5 minutes time frame, and also 1 minute time frame. I usually just take a look at it to see like what kind of activities are really happening here. Okay, so what candles are forming, like the, these these lower time frames, like they already tell you exactly like the activities that are happening, that will actually contribute to an impact of the direction that you want your trade to go through. So let's take a look at the 15 minutes chart. So this was the analysis. Okay, so if you bring this chart up to the level that we entered this trade, which was this level here, what you will find out is we had a major break towards the down level. And definitely, anytime you usually see a major downfall, what happens is price will definitely pull back. Okay, so you could also take this trade on this level. Okay, also on this level. Okay, here. And the reason why I'm drawing this line from this point to this point is you always want to make sure that your price, the level where it is confirmed either twice, thrice, moving to the left. And you can see this level has been confirmed severally, also broken uh, some time back. So price comes up, okay, breaks this first level, and then the next level that you're looking at is this level here. So when price comes and reaches this level, this is when now we want to dive in. Okay, here now we want to dive in into the 5 minutes time frame, and you want to take a look at the activities. Yes, price is on this level on the 5 minutes time frame. What are some of these activities happening on the 5 minutes time frame? Because this will actually help us now understand if still this price will break to this level, and then we'll have to go to the 5 minutes time frame and see the activities that are happening. So let's take a look at the 5 minutes time frame. As you can see on the 5 minutes time frame, we have actually a pattern that is forming, and this pattern really it's known as the it's known as a flag. Make sure you've just studied patterns, chart patterns. I'll also be recording a video on chart patterns, and what you'll find, what really got my attention with this trade was it formed this flag, and definitely when you see this flag, what happens is price does this, hits this level, which is our level here, and it continues moving down completely. So when I saw this, I was like, what I'm going to wait for is I am going to wait for this price to actually, when it's there, I am going to wait for it to see exactly what it's going to do in terms of breaking. And remember, this is the 5 minutes time frame. If it breaks this level in the 5 minutes time frame, then I am sure to be able to take a sell. Okay, whereby the entry point is there, and the stop loss that I actually gave was around this level. So the entry point was there, the stop loss was around this level, and the first take profit, I'm looking at the first take profit to be this level here. Okay, so that is how it looks like. So let's play the chart and let's see what actually happened in the real market. Okay, so price broke that level. So immediately price broke that level and you got this pullback. Enter this trade selling. Okay, sell this thing. Okay, get into the 15 minutes time frame. You can see what exactly has also happened here in the 15 minutes time frame. We have a very big candle that is dropping down to hell. Okay, and let's actually see how this market really worked based on that analysis. Look, went down completely up to okay. So this is another part I want to actually look at. So you remember I actually gave the entry point, the first entry point. This was actually the the first entry point was here, whereby we were selling. It went all the way, got into a take profit. Okay, let's see how what happened. Dropped completely. So if you get into the 5 minutes time frame, as I told you, usually see the activities that are happening there. So when it dropped to that level, the next level that you're waiting for, if this price is here, definitely you can see that this is a major level. So we are waiting for price to come up to this level, and then what we're expecting price to do is when it comes to this level, we're expecting this price to do this and drop. So let's see if the market will respect our zones. Okay, so you can see price started rising, got into that level. Okay, so also if you see price is doing this, you can actually go now even to the 1 minute time frame still and take a look at exactly what is happening. Price has come back, has come up. We are seeing a double top on the 1 minute time frame. Top one, top two, this is a double top. So this gives you a confirmation that yes, this level has been retested, activities are going on, and this market will actually drop down completely. So let's see what happens. Let's see if the market will respect the zones. And you can see it dropped confidently, and continued dropping. So if price drops to this level, the other place whereby I'll be looking at getting into the market will be at this zone here. So I'll be looking at price coming, retesting that zone, and continuing moving down. So let's see what happens. Right. Profit, profit. Drop down completely. We are having another retest there. With retest there, we'll be having what we call a double top. Go and do your research on the double tops. You can still take a sell from this zone and take a look, baby. Take a look what that price is doing. It's definitely respecting these zones. It's definitely respecting these zones. You can all remember, I'm not using any indicator here. I'm just working with the supply and demand zones and looking at different chart patterns that are forming. So welcome to the Pro Traders, guys, helping you really focus and trade like a pro. That is the GBP card analysis. Always remember to hit this YouTube video and take a look at our next analysis, which will be tomorrow. Definitely, it may have a double top, or it may have a flag, or it may have a triple bottom. You'll be able to really learn different tactics that you use to be able to get into the marketplace and become profitable. Have a good time. Let's meet on the next video.